Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and I'm here with a little something I picked up off of Amazon. So what I got here is a Nano Spray machine. I was looking for a different machine and I didn't find it, and I found this one. It had some decent reviews. It's basically the same thing and it was half the price. So let's see if I do get what I pay for. But I wanted to show you what it is, so let's take a look inside. Got the box open here. And we have the fill chamber. I wish the fill chamber was a little bit bigger. There's only 13 ounces. But what I'll do is I'll make up a 16-ounce batch because I know the ratios for that. And we'll fill up a 16-ounce bottle and then use that to pour into here. We have our USB charger for the battery. And then here's our little machine here. See what else is in the box before I show you the machine. Just a little operation manual. Whoa, what a nice operation manual. Well, you gotta cut costs somewhere, right? Throw that back in the box there. Put the box aside. And we'll take out the little nano sprayer here. There it is. It's got the little blue lights on there too, so you can see stuff, I guess. Pretty simple, low and high. Let's put the bottle on. There's the bottle on. And what I have seen about some reviews on these is that where the bottle screws on will break, so be gentle with that. I'll remember that when I'm using it. And I'll try to be as gentle as possible so as not to break it. So we'll see how this does. I'll give it a charge up, give it a little run, and I'll come back to you guys and give you a little review of what I think of it. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned. Urban Garden.